Question 3 says, in the diagram above, PQR is an equilateral triangle of sides 18 centimeters. So looking at the question we have, this is an equilateral triangle. All sides are equal and each side is 18. That's the first point to note. M is the midpoint of QR. So this is the middle. You should note that too. And an arc of a circle with center P. That means this is center of the circle, touches QR at M, which is the midpoint, and meets QR at A and PR at B. So our B is actually here. Calculate correct to 2 decimal places the area of the shaded region. Looking at this question, the shaded region is this part, and for us to calculate the area of the shaded region, we know we have to find the area of the triangle. We can't find the area of the shaded region directly. Find the area of the triangle and find the area of the sector. Once we find both, we'll be able to subtract the area of the sector from the area of the triangle to get our answer. Going back to the question, you see, let's read again so we get out the information we need. Diagram above, PQR is an equilateral triangle. That means all sides are equal with side 18 centimeters. Let's just draw it outside and see what we can figure out from this. 18, 18, 18. Then what does it say next? It said M is a midpoint of QR. This is the middle. That means each part will be 9, 9. That adds up to 18. Then what else can we get out of this question? An arc of a circle with center P touches QR at M. So if the arc of a circle touches this, that means from here, from the center of the circle P touches here, that means the distance from here to here is the radius of the circle. That means the circle that was going around like this touches at M, so the distance from P to M is actually the radius. This is the arc of a circle. Calculate to 2 decimal places the area of the shaded region. And like I said, the area of the shaded region can't be found directly. You have to find the area of the triangle and the area of this shape, which is a sector. And formula for area of the triangle, given what we have, is this shape 18, 18, 18. This is 60 degrees since it's equilateral, all sides are 60. The best formula to use to solve for the area of the triangle in this case is to use area of the triangle is half AB sine C. So you take 2 sides and the angle between them, which is 60. We have our area to be half times 18 times 18 times sine 60. Half 18 times 18 is 324 times sine 60 is 0.8660. Our answer for this will give us 140.292. That's the area of the triangle. And the area of the sector from the triangle, which goes like this, with the radius r here, is theta over 360 times pi r squared, our radius. So we can derive it based on the information we have. Like said earlier, we have the triangle and we have our radius in the middle, which is the height. This side is 18. Since the light bisects this into equal parts, we have 9. This is a right angle triangle. Then we can find our radius using Pythagoras theorem, which says hypotenuse squared equals opposite squared plus adjacent squared. Our hypotenuse, which is facing the 90, angle 90 is 18 squared equals 9 squared plus x squared. X squared equals, we take out 9 squared as 18 squared minus 9 squared. X squared is 18 squared is 324, while 9 squared is 81. Since we're looking for x, x will be, you do the square for both sides, x will be square root of 324 minus 81. 324 minus 81, x equals square root of 243. X is therefore square root of 243 will be 15.59. Once we have this, that means we have x, the value for x, which is we have our triangle, we have our x to be 15.59, which is our radius. Then we have this to be 9 and this to be 18, and the total angle will be 60 since it's an equilateral triangle. So we use that to calculate the area of sector, which says theta over 360 times pi r squared. We know our theta to be 60 over 360 times our pi is 22 over 7 times our r, which is 15.59 squared. We can cut this to the lowest term. 0 cancel 0, 6 here 1, 6 here 6, 6 and 36, 6. So you have 22 times 15.59 all squared over 6 times 7. Opening the bracket, you have 22 times 243 over 6 times 7, which is 42. 22 times 243 divided by 42 will be 127.286. To get our final answer, the area of shaded region would equal to area of the triangle minus area of the sector. Area of triangle is 140.292 minus 127.286, which gives us 13.01 centimeters squared.